Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, October 27th, 2016. The U.S. stock market is closed. We had another crappy day today. These stocks are just untradeable in this kind of environment. I mean, you can just look at this chart here of the Dow and you can see what we're up against. Today, the Dow opened up, looked like it was going to the moon, and then, within an hour, it was very negative. Then it comes back up, goes positive again, and then fails and ends up negative, closing down negative 30. So, up, down, up, down. How do you trade that? And you really don't. And we got messed up pretty bad in this up and down sideways stuff. We ended up closing out negative $6,000, and we got into 5 or 6 new positions, and we're carrying negative 1,700 going into tomorrow. There's just nothing that can be traded in this kind of environment. I'm glad I have my managed accounts sitting on the sideline waiting for after the elections. I think it's just, nobody seems to know what's going on, and the markets react accordingly. I don't have much at all to show you, but I will show you one stock that it was the only thing that looked promising for a little while today, and this is a new stock for us, and I forgot to write down the name of it. It's OCN. It's a financial stock, OCN, and I'm sorry, I will get that for you the next time we see a trade. But this thing gapped up wildly, and it kept going, and up here we were up about $4,000 with this thing, and the stock itself is up like 25 to 30% up here, and then it fails, and we end up going from positive 4,000 to positive about 800. But I don't like the looks of that at all. It looks terrible if you're long. So I'm not holding my breath for any promises on that stock. And then everything else was negative. So we just had a lousy day. I don't know what to say, except I am calling the Dow down for tomorrow. Looks pretty negative to me. So, we're traders. We got to suffer through this, but it's really painful. Anyway, I'll be back here tomorrow on Friday.